And now it's time for another Nick exclusive, giving you an inside look behind the scenes of Nickelodeon's Kablam.
That was good, but I still think there's something missing from that one. Yes, that works a lot better. Hi, I'm Michael Wolf. I'm an audio engineer, and today we're going to be adding sound effects to the Action League Now, which is part of the Kablam series. A lot of the sound effects we have to create ourselves, and with me today is Master Sound Effects Engineer Tom Clack.
Hi. See this thing? It's actually a bird call, but sometimes we use it for like washing windows. 3.
Look for and listen for the Action League Now. They're part of Kablam every Friday on Nickelodeon.